Welcome back!
So guys, as we were converting the living room, we were doing it to make space for the cubic Ikea stand. So what we're going to be doing is converting the Ikea into a TV stand.
Stay tuned.
So guys, Mom bought a few things from Amazon. She bought the legs for us to convert the Ikea quadruple 4 thing to a TV stand.
All right.
We also got this from Ikea. This is to cover each door with, so it's going to be paneling. We got this from Ikea. I believe this was $15, right, babe?
Yeah.
And then there's the Kallax doors. They're all white, and we're going to be putting those, attaching those on, and putting these, measuring them and cutting them, and attaching them here. And right, babe?
All right. Yeah.
And I also found a leaf. Well,
All right. Yes.
Oh.
We're gonna use that. Believe it or not, we're gonna use that.
Let's get to work.
We want all of them to be the same on this plate right here. We're gonna put them on center, right on the steel pad here. But we know we have to put them in the same direction because we want them to look uniform when we install it on the actual unit. So I'm gonna drill the holes. Do this right here. Now you can take the drill. You can put it right in place. Okay. Just give me a
Sticker's still
second.
there, okay?
Yep. Just give me a quick second. Hold on. Make sure it's straight, like this, like that. All the way so like that. All right, so now our holes are there for me to drill in. Good, now you can do this one right here.
She's bossing this. Awesome.
We need help like knowing like how you want it to be positioned.
So they would have to be out. So all the legs have to be out. So they would be right here.
Daddy, I want to do it. Please.
You're doing good.
I do it.
You want to help?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we've got one door already done.
You need
And that-
this, so we're gonna install it through here.
Okay. So, and also to show them the way the door is opening on the first one. See, we chose the hinge to open from the bottom. Usually people, of course, put the hinges on the side, but this is what we want to do. I think this is a little bit more of a design that we're looking for. We're going to adjust the door it's out of alignment, but we're going to take care of that later on.
Yes.
And now we're going to move on to the next 3 that we have to install. So Nani is going to open up that one package. Let's go.
I love it.
Oh, yeah? You love it?
Yeah, no, I love it. Okay, anyway. We would take these doors off of this,
Okay.
and then we would attach them each.
Which way do you want to install it? Is it going to be sideways or?
I think I'm going to go for this up there.
Okay. Vertical it is.
And what color are we doing this?
I don't know. Oh, we're going to paint it. So you want to paint it? I thought you want to. Oh, you want to.
What color? Gray? What color do you think, babe?
I don't know.
Yellow.
You want to do yellow?
Let's put the green couch and then see.
All right, guys, so we're going to finish up a little bit later on. We're going to go get the paint.
No,
no, we're not. We're gonna go put the couch in now because I've been begging to put that couch in place and now I want it.
Alright guys, we got our new furniture in today. My baby's gonna do the honors and reveal it for us.
I'm just excited to see the color.
So this is the color that we're going with, if you can see it.
Which is my favorite color.
Uh-huh.
It's literally my favorite color.
Open it up, Gracie.
Alright guys, so listen guys. Here's the thing. We ordered this couch, we got a swatch for it, and we still didn't think that it would be this green. I mean, I'm not saying that it's ugly, it's definitely beautiful, but it's a little bit brighter than I expected it to be. Greg thinks that it looks like, what did you say it
a
looks
golf
like?
course.
It looks like we're in a golf course.
Mini golf. Like, oh, this is not good. Handsome. Handsome!
So, I don't know if you want to put it up?
Let's take it out of the box and see what it's gonna look like. I don't see it being anything better. Oh my god, man.
Oh wow, this is actually really pretty.
Pretty?
Yeah, it's really pretty. Well, I don't know if it's gonna match with our like for someone.
Oh my god.
Babe, I just think it's too bright.
You think it's too bright for us?
Yeah. That's the wrong kind of green, it's just too bright. Oh boy. Cancel. Cancel.
You don't want to take it out?
Oh no. I think it's just too bright.
It's too green?
I think it's too green. It's
No,
just
I thought it was more like an emerald green, and this is not emerald green at all.
it just looks
But I
so
did ask them
weird.
for a swatch for it, and it's a swatch. Okay, so I kind of did a boo-boo. I ordered it and then did the swatch, and I don't even know. We have to figure this out now. We have to figure it out because I don't know how the heck we're supposed to ship back. Will they take the shipping back?
I don't know.
Or will we have to pay for that?
I don't know. I am definitely not opening up that box. Cancel.
Wait, let me just see. So guys, we have decided to give it a shot. I don't know if it's going to be a good thing or a bad thing because of the cushions.
This is either going to be a home run
or not at all. Guys, this green couch is giving me life. I love it so much. So much. Alright guys, so I went online and found these beautiful colors. They're by Farrow and Ball. They're amazing. So I found this color, and this is Cinder Rose number 246. And then I found this color, and this is Sulking Room Pink. I like this one better. So I want to paint those panel boards instead of a wood tone because there's a bunch of wood tone in this room. I want to paint it pink. I know that sounds very different.
It is different.
It is very different, but I'm choosing to paint it pink because I want to break up the color, and I know we have green, and I think that green and pink are absolutely beautiful as long as it's within reason. What do you think, babe?
I think it'll look good. I mean, I'm not used to the color pink, but that's your ballpark. That's your ballpark.
This is how it all started. My husband and I went to Ikea, and when I was looking at some plates, I saw pink plates, and I was obsessed with them. I was like, oh my God, I want these plates. And the first thing he told me is what, babe? We're never having pink in this house.
No.
And what are we about to have in this house?
I'm gonna stay in my lane. Hope you work your magic. We can make it work.
Yeah, I really do hope that it looks as beautiful as I see it in my head. We'll see.
All right, so I have my doors off, and I'm getting ready to put on my panels here. My wife and I went to Ikea, and they came up, they purchased them in sheets like this. We split them in half. They're the exact size that we need for these doors, right, hon?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Less work.
Yes.
The only thing we have to do is cut off because it's a little bit longer than the actual, but it's perfect.
Right. When we line it up from tip to tip, we have a remainder of about 1.5 inches to cut off. Draw my line underneath where it's going to be at. So what I did is I applied some taping on the finished side to prevent the wood from flaking up too much.
Do it look good?
Good.
Yeah, baby.
Looking good, looking good, looking good. Just gonna line it right up.
Yes.
Right where I want it. Now, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go with a construction adhesive. You can use any adhesive that you want. We're gonna go with a construction adhesive as a backing. I'm gonna apply this right on the backing, liberally. Right on. I wanna start from the middle and work my way out towards the ends. Make sure we have good contact.
See, guys, he had to go put his safety glasses on because he forgot. I'm just reminding him about a lot of stuff today.
I have to remind you to put your safety glasses on too.
I don't need my safety glasses. I'm not cutting. Let's not make a mess, though, please.
So, I'm not here to make messes.
So my husband is a little messy sometimes.
Not here to make messes.
Sometimes. Sometimes he's messy. But we're not going to do that today. Babe, oh my God, yes.
You like that?
Yeah, I love it.
So I'll fill in the joints and I'm going to give them to you and you give those to me.
Guys, if it comes out bad, I'm going to tell you guys.
Oh, she's going to try to blame me, no doubt.
I'm going to point everything out.
Look at it. She misses pink. She's wearing pink.
This is not, I don't even know how to even call this. But this with green is about to look popping. And imagine our green plants and everything on against this color. Mm-hmm. Wow.
All right, guys, I got a couple of doors already in. I got to tighten them up. But before I ran into a little hiccup. And what that was there's the 1/8 of an inch difference, the actual clearance of the door at the bottom, because you're adding on an 1/8 of an inch, the panel insert for the face. So you want to make an adjustment on your hinges to allow for the clearance at the bottom so it won't scrape. Other than that, I'm going to keep on working. All right, guys, I have all the drawers in. It looks awesome. I didn't think I was going to be a believer of this color, but hey, I got to give it to my wife. Design, hands down, she slam dunked it. It looks awesome. It looks great. I love it. I love it. Now I'm going to install the handles here on each one. These are already centered to where I know where they're going to be at. Time to install. Whoa! Hi, Gracie. Huh? You want to help me? Well, you hold the drawer. Hold that right there, okay? She wants to go for the drill. Here we go. Ready?
Set.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Not ready. I'm not ready yet.
Ready, set?
Ready?
Go!
Yeah.